Poster war against Bangladeshi immigrants. Posters threatening Bangladeshis to leave India surfaced in parts of Mumbai. The posters warned that if the immigrants don't leave India on their own, they will be driven out MNS style. The posters bear pictures of MNS chief Raj Thackeray and his son Amit Thackeray, who was inducted into the party last month. On January 23rd, while unveiling his party's new saffron flag with the seal of Maratha warrior Chhatrapati Shivaji, Raj Thackeray had defended CAA and also pushed for the NRC proposal. The MNS stand is diametrically opposed to the stand taken by Raj's cousin and Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackre's government. The Maha Aghadi government has pledged to stop CAA and NRC in Maharashtra.
CAA हो, NRC हो या NPR हो, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री साहब ने, माननीय उप मुख्यमंत्री साहब ने और होम मिनिस्टर करके मैंने आपके जरिए ये बात वहां तक पहुंचाई है कि कोई भी एक भी आदमी के ऊपर महाराष्ट्र में उसकी कार्रवाई नहीं होगी और इसकी कोई किसी भी तीनों जो है CAA, NRC और NRP इसके तहत किसको भी तकलीफ नहीं होगी और एक भी आदमी की महाराष्ट्र में नागरिकत्व छीनी नहीं जाएगी।
Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us live with more details. So on the story, Pankaj, has that controversial banner been removed now by the government?
No, this remains, and that is not in Mumbai. It's in Panvel area near Mumbai. Okay. And the reason is that the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena feels that there are many Bangladeshi migrants who are working at the various construction sites in Panvel. And hence they feel that right before their protest rally, which is going to take place on February 9th in Mumbai, this is going to send out a stronger message on their part. However, there are many political quarters which maintains that this is just a political stunt on part of the MNS to regain and bring themselves into light in the political field yet again. Home Minister, however, yesterday maintained that a formal permission by the MNS has not been given as yet for the protest rally on 9th of February, but we are given to understand that probably the rally is now going to be from Marine Drive to Azad Maidan. Earlier it was planned from Bhaikala to Azad Maidan, but Bhaikala being a predominantly Muslim area, permission perhaps was denied. But many quarters maintain that this is just a political stunt on part of Raj Thackray. But interestingly, in this poster which has been put up in the Panvel area, Raj is seen along with his son Amit Thackeray, who's recently been inducted in the Yuva Sena of the MNS. So, but the threat is very clear, which says that if the Bangladeshi migrants do not move from that area, then action would be taken in MNS style, which clearly means that the MNS would be resorting to violence yet again.
And that perhaps is the very controversial bit about these posters. Pankaj, thanks for joining us with those details. Breaking news that's coming in.